Hello, welcome to the Grecko family. In this initial setup video series, we will show you how to set up and manage visual content using our Taurus processors, Viplexx and Vnoxx. Basically, there are two options when trying to push content on a Taurus system-based LED wall or banner. Viplexx allows you to manage your LED's videos using a physical or Wi-Fi connection from your PC to your Taurus device. On the other hand, Vnoxx allows you to manage all the content from the cloud, so you access to your LED's video managed system from anywhere in the world. Setup. When using a Taurus-based LED screen, the mapping of the panels it's the first step, so please make sure to use a USB-A/B cable connection or Ethernet cable to connect your PC and Taurus device. Once everything is connected, open up Nova LCD, go to the www.novastar.tech/downloads page. Then go to the software section. There you will find Nova LCD. Download the latest version available and make sure to accept and install all the drivers. Open up Nova LCD and log in using the Taurus System login method. Remember that by default username and password for all Taurus devices are user admin, password 123456. Once logged in, you can access all Nova LCD setting features like RCFGX update, brightness, color adjustments, and mapping. For learning how to map out your LED wall, please refer to our initial setup video series. Video hash for calibration. LED banners come already mapped out from the factory, so you can skip all Vnoxx steps. Viplexx. To download Viplexx, go to www.novastar.tech/downloads Nova Cloud. Always download the latest version of Viplexx Express and install all drivers that come included. Remember, this software can only be installed on a Windows computer. Open up Viplexx Express and make sure your Taurus device is being recognized and you're successfully logged in. Remember, you need to connect to your Taurus device using Wi-Fi or a hardwire Ethernet or USB-A/B connection. Adjust your LED wall's resolution. Go to Terminal Control inside of Viplexx. Then access Video Source and adjust the HDMI or internal source resolution from 1920 by 1080, which is the default resolution, to your LED walls or banner resolution. This resolution can be found on the first one page of your wiring diagram. If you have a Taurus banner, these come already preset from the factory, so just skip this step. Now you'll be able to manage your visual content from this computer using Viplexx. To do so, go to Solutions on Viplexx New and then Regular Solution. Use a name for the visual content you want to upload and select your LED's resolution down below. Once this is done, a pop-up window will appear, in here you'll set up everything about the images or videos you want to upload, date, letters, time, weather, and other features that Viplexx provide. To upload videos and images, just click on File and search for the content you want to use. You can add different videos on one solution, and these videos will cycle through on and on. Now that the desired content has been adjusted, you can always preview so you can have a sense of how it's going to look on your LED wall or banner. Then simply click Publish and select the Taurus device you want to upload this content to. A loading bar will appear showing you the progress of the upload. Once completed, your video will be shown on your Taurus system-based LED wall or banner. Vnoxx. We all know the convenience of being able to manage your LED's content on the fly, and Vnoxx breaks the physical limitations between creators and hardware. Using Vnoxx, anyone can manage content from anywhere in the world. To do so, we need to sync our Taurus device to a Vnoxx account, so the first step will be to get a Vnoxx account. Go to us.vnoxx.com/#/ and create an account. We will show you how. It's very important to make sure your account is being created on the American or United States server. Simply select the option on the drop menu of the top bar. Create a username and password for the account and use an email address or phone number. A code will be sent to one of those two options, so make sure to have it in hand. Slide to verify, make sure to accept the terms and conditions, and your account will be created successfully. Log in using your email address or phone number and password created, and our Vnoxx account is ready to sync. Taurus Wi-Fi connection. First of all, to sync Taurus to a Vnoxx account, your device will need to be constantly connected to a Wi-Fi connection or hardwire LAN cable. That way it can download all content and commands written on Vnoxx. Through the cloud, open up Viplexx Express and make sure you're logged in and connected to the Taurus device. Connect to Taurus device to a hardwire LAN cable or connect it to your local Wi-Fi network. Taurus will only read 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks, otherwise they won't be shown on the list. Go to Terminal Control and then access Network Configuration on Viplexx Express. Click Wi-Fi Network and search for your local Wi-Fi connection, then use the corresponding password and make sure it connects successfully. If it does not connect, make sure not to use a VPN or whitelist restriction on your local network. Taurus and Vnoxx sync. Now, to sync up your Vnoxx account to your Taurus system, you simply need to let Viplexx know your corresponding Vnoxx's account authentication info. To do so, open up your Vnoxx account and over the upper right corner, go to Player Authentication. Your account authentication info will be shown, so now just copy and paste on Viplexx Express. For a successful synchronization between Vnoxx and Taurus, open up Viplexx Express and make sure it's on a Wi-Fi network or hardwire to a LAN cable. Go to Terminal Control inside of Viplexx and then select Server Configuration. Select the American or United States server and paste all the authentication info from Vnoxx. Once done, click Bind to synchronize both platforms and make sure it syncs successfully. By now, Vnoxx and your Taurus device should be already connected. However, you can always check so on your Vnoxx account under the Players tab at the top. Taurus should appear online. Vnoxx Content Management. Now that your Taurus system and Vnoxx account are successfully synchronized, you can manage your LED's video content from anywhere using any device. Upload the content you want to use on your LED wall or banner. To do so, go to the Content tab on the upper bar of your Vnoxx account and click Add Media. Then select all of the videos or images you'd like to upload to the cloud. Vnoxx allows a whole bunch of formats and codecs. but we recommend to use MP4 for videos and JPEG or PNG for images. Now that all of your content is on the cloud, go to the Solutions tab at the top and click on New Solution Regular Solution. Now use a name for your content and select the player with the corresponding resolution, and click OK. A similar pop-up window will appear as on Viplexx Express. To upload videos and images, just click on File and search for the content you want to use. You can add different videos on one solution, and these videos will cycle through on and on. Now that the desired content has been adjusted, you can always preview so you can have a sense of how it's going to look on your LED wall or banner. Then simply click Publish and select the Taurus device you want to upload this content to. A loading bar will appear showing you the progress of the upload. Once completed, your video will be shown on your Taurus System-based LED wall or banner. Now your Grecko LED display is ready for the show. For more information, keep watching our video series or go to our webpage www.greckoled.com.